We are whipping out those air fryers again. Today I have a air fried Cajun chicken breast recipe for you all with a yummy so creamy sauce for you to drizzle right on top. Come on now. This is so good right here and I can't wait for you to try it yourselves. So let's not waste time. Let's get into it. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we will be working with today, and they will be listed down in the description box as well. So now we're gonna move on to that chicken breast. We are gonna score our chicken breast just like so. Go ahead and take care of that. Once that's finished, we are gonna season these bad boys to perfection, because you know that's what we do around here. So here is our seasoning blend. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice little mix. Once that's taken care of, I am gonna grab some olive oil and I'm gonna drizzle it right on top of our chicken breast just like so, and give it a nice luxurious massage. So you know how we feel around here. You know it's no secret. If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning, okay? Ain't no bland chicken over here. That is the motto that we live by, okay? So I'm gonna go ham, go crazy, and make sure this chicken is well coated in this yummy seasoning blend right here. So we are gonna transfer our chicken breast right into our air fryer tray, and we are gonna air fry these for about 20 minutes at 380. No need to flip them, no need to touch them, no need to do anything. Just let them go. So in the meanwhile, we are gonna work on this sauce. I'm just adding a little bit of heavy cream to this pan, as well as some Creole seasoning, and shortly I'll be adding some paprika as well. You wanna go ahead and give that a stir, let it come up to a simmer. Once we have all the ingredients in there and it starts to, you know, like I said, thicken up and whatnot, you could then remove it from the heat. You know, it doesn't take any time at all. Maybe about, I don't know, 3-4 minutes total just to get this sauce together. It takes no effort. Once we have that out the way, you're gonna go ahead and put it to the side, and we are gonna check on that chicken. All right, so our chicken is done at this point. Look at what we have here. This is so yummy. The exterior is crispy. The interior is juicy. But yes, go ahead and plate it up. Grab that sauce and drizzle it right on top just like so. And the side dishes for this are honestly endless. You could serve some rice with this, some veggies like I did. There are so many ways to serve this right here, and each one of them are delicious. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, hit your boy with a like. It means a lot. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I will see you on the next video. Deuces.